Hello everybody, Lon from the Attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video of one of the items that I had received, actually, gotten off of the Vans Family app, one of those gifts. Let me quickly show you what it is. It is the Post-its, you know, with the Vans logo and, checkered patterns and like quick not too much detail, just pretty much saying that it's like yeah, 800 points, and it's like posted notes. But yeah, there's more detail on here, like, yeah, 750 paper sticky notes with adhesive strip for promotional use. Got the address, got the barcode in here. And yeah, when I was redeeming it, I pretty much was told at the store that it's not like the stickiest. So what I was thinking was I would just still leave it sealed, and it's like only when I really need sticky notes is when I will go ahead and open it up. But I just wanted to make a quick video showing it to you guys what it looks like in hand, in person. Got the logo up there, and then the checkered patterns on the side, pretty much sealed. 800 points. It's really affordable if you go to your local Vans store and go in and redeem. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to show you guys today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Definitely like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.